Hello, well, here are 8 of the many, many reasons to bring automation into your food processing line. You probably know most of them as it is, but let's put it all together for you. Number 1, of course, is repeatability. You want your product to look, feel, taste, smell the same. That when your client, your customer, opens up that package, your bar, your cookie, your falafel, whatever it is that's in there, will have the exact same texture, taste, flavor, smell that every other one has. So they know what they are getting. Repeatability. When you're making something, unless you're a chef in a kitchen, every meal is exactly the same. And you want it to be exactly the same. And machines are very, very good at making things exactly the same. Now, along with that is your ability to make subtle changes under full control. So your number 2 is line of fire. When you are cooking things, you're freezing things, you're crunching, you're cutting, you're grinding, etc., you do not want people's hands, body parts, etc., getting in the way. Because what will cook food will cook people. Hot oil, cryogenic freezing, etc. You want that all to be automated. Get people out of the line of fire. Number 3 is your food safe hygiene. Now we all have our food safe hygiene structures within our plants. We keep everything clean, but people are people, and people leave your plants. They go out, they come back, they go on coffee break, they go on washroom breaks, they go home. Your machines don't. They're cleaned once a day and they run and they stay clean. There's no intrusion of bacteria, contaminants, etc. So it really improves your food safe hygiene in your QA. Number 4 is your 24-hour operation. Well, 23 because you got cleaning in there. So 24-hour operation. There's no coffee breaks. There's no lunch breaks. There's no toolbox talks in the morning or whatever it is that you tend to have. The machine just operates. There's no shift change. Like often shift change. Your one shift has to stop, go clean up. Your new shift cleans up. There's a handoff. People got to chat. That doesn't happen with machinery. It just runs. Number 5, quality control and measurement. Measurement's a big one in food. When people are measuring things, there is a fair order of error that's just inherent in how people operate, how people mix, how people measure, etc. You're supposed to have 52 grams of something. You might have 48, you might have 54, you might have 56. And that can throw off everything. The flavor, the size, the packaging, the cost. So having that quality control that you know exactly what's there, the machine will give that to you and it'll allow you to do the measurements, etc. Number 6, of course, is throughput, which kind of goes in hand with the 24-hour operation throughput. But the other thing about throughput is that machines are a lot faster than people. Usually when you see a machine in a video, what you're seeing is a very slowed down machine. They're slowing it down so you can see the operations. When you turn it up to full speed, you'll find that machines are a lot faster than people because their movements are very controlled and very strict, whereas people's are kind of loosey-goosey. Number 7, of course, is waste reduction. When you have this better control, this better QA, this higher speed, the better measurements, etc., what ends up happening is you get less wasted product. And waste is just money down the drain. It is just a loss of money, which brings in 8. Your 8th big reason for having automation, that's your OPEX, your operating costs. There's a more CAPEX to bringing the machine, but the savings in OPEX often pay a machine off in only a couple of months of operation. That machine usually runs for 4, 5, 10 years or more. So your OPEX goes way down because you're not paying the constant labor, the constant supervision, etc. that you have to with a group of people. So your OPEX is greatly reduced, as well as all the payroll taxes and insurance and stuff that goes along with having those people there. And your number 9, your bonus reasons for bringing automation into your food processing, meat, dairy, cheese, etc. All manufacturing processing, but we're talking food here, is data logging. It automatically measures things. It saves it into its memory So all you do is you pick which variables that you want to track, and you track them. They're all in the computer already. Your data logging, how many, when, how many was lost, how much added, your everything is automatically data logged already for you. So there's your 8+1 bonus reasons for bringing automation into your food processing line. And guess what? You already have a lot of automation there. You just don't realize it because you just consider it to be a piece of equipment or a machine. That's what automation is. And with your food processing line, we can really improve all of those points by bringing in a bit of automation.